Hi everyone, today we are looking at a question from TAO NAN. Okay, this is question number 8. Now, as you can see over here, it says that the figure below is made up of a circle and a right-angled triangle XYZ. Okay, so where exactly is XYZ? As you can see over here, I'm just going to highlight for you to see this is XYZ. Okay, so this is a right-angle triangle. Now, so the first thing you want to do is to make sure that you have all of the measurements written out. Okay, we know that YZ is also equals to 10, so this is actually 5 and this is actually 5. Okay, so once I'm done with writing down the measurements, okay, the next thing I can do is to split them up into shapes that I'm familiar with. All right, so I want to break this up. Okay, why? Because I can get to part A and part B. My plan is to find the area of the semicircle. Okay, and then I remove away this triangle, then I'll be able to get to part A and part B. Okay, now so first thing first, okay, find the area of the triangle, which is the one over here. If you can follow my cursor, okay, I know that my height is also 5 because anything that comes from the middle point has the same radius. Okay, so we are going to find the area of the triangle. Okay, so I'm just going to draw it out. I know that it is half times 5 times 10, and we know that this gives me 25 centimeters square. Now, once I'm done with this, right, I can find area of the semicircle. Okay, area of semicircle. Okay, we will just have to do half times pi r squared. Okay, half times pi being 3.14 times the radius. We can see that the radius is 5, okay, to the power of 2. All right, so when I do that, I'll get to an answer of 39.25. Okay, so that is the semicircle. All right, so what I want to do now is I want to find sector A and B, right? How do I go about that? I just have to do 39.25, which is the semicircle, minus away 25. Okay, 39.25 minus away 25, we get to 14.25. Okay, and we know that A and B, they are the same, so I can just find them individually, right? I can just do 14.25 divided by 2. All right, so when I do that, what happens is that I will get to an answer of 7.125. Okay, so you might want to note down that this is 7.125. Okay, and this is also 7.125. Now, we want to find the area of this shaded part. Okay, so what I can do is I can use the area of the whole triangle. Can you see the whole triangle? Minus away this triangle. I'm going to just shade those, or in fact, highlight those in red for those that I'm going to remove. Okay, I'm going to remove this. I'm going to remove this. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the whole triangle. Okay, if you can see it. And I'm going to minus away the area of this weird looking shape. Okay, I'm going to remove away this weird looking shape, right? So it's the yellow color part minus away the green color one. So I'm just going to find area of triangle XYZ. We know that it is half times base times height. Okay, half times 10 times 10, and we get to 50. Okay, and we can actually find the area of the triangle plus sector A. Okay, so triangle, I'm referring to this triangle over here. So the area of triangle just now we have learned that is 25 plus the sector being 7.125. Okay, so we do 25 plus 7.125, we get to an answer of 32.125. Okay, so how am I going to find the area of the shaded part? So we write down area of shaded part will then be 50 minus 32.125. Okay, so 50 minus 32.125, and therefore my answer for this question has to be 17.875 centimeter square.